everyone. Welcome to PA Wealth and Investment Services Group. Read stock research updates on our blog, link is given in the description box below. You are always welcome to contact us. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. In this video, you will know the details about Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund. So keep watching. Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund is a fund that invests mainly in shares of foreign companies. This fund is suitable for the investors who are seeking investment in equity securities of the Nasdaq 100 index. The return in this fund corresponds generally to the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. Moreover, if invested for a period of 5 years or more, one can expect gains that beat the inflation rate and returns from the fixed income options. However, ups and downs can be expected in the investment value along the way. This fund is a composition of all major tech brands like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Cisco, Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, PayPal, Pepsi and Adobe. Now let's know the basic details of this fund. Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund is the fund house of Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF is an exchange-traded fund. ETF or exchange-traded fund is a fund that trades on an exchange just like a stock and replicate the portfolio and performance of an index. Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF invests in equity securities of Nasdaq 100. Its launch date is the 29th of March 2011. The assets of this fund are approximately 5,152 crore as on the 30th of September 2021. The expense rate is 0.56% and the exit load is nil. Now we will discuss the returns generated by the fund. The 3 years trailing return of the Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF fund is 30.58% and 10 years trailing return is 25.7%. However, the 10 years trailing return of S&P BSE 500 TRI index is 15.77%. Now, let's understand with the help of an illustration, the growth of amount invested in Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. Assuming, if you had invested Rs 10,000 monthly SIP since the 1st of October of 2011, then your amount would have been 49,72,698 on the 30th of September 2021. The annualized rate of return being 26.80%. Let's see the performance if lump sum amount is invested in Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. Assuming if Rs 1 lakh invested on the 1st of October of 2011, then the market value of the investment as on the 30th of September 2021 would have been around Rs 9,96,000. Let's move further. Now we will understand the basic investment detail of Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF fund. The minimum application amount for new purchases and for additional purchase is Rs 500 only. Moreover, there is no entry load and exit load in this Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF fund. Let's understand portfolio of the fund. 11.07% of the total portfolio of this fund is held by Apple Inc., 10.01% by Microsoft Corp., 7.84% by Amazon Inc. Rest by Tesla, Facebook, Adobe, Netflix, PayPal, Alphabet, etc. as shown in this graph. Let's have a look at all the sectors which are associated with this fund. The highest proportion is of technology sector, which is more than 38%. The next highest sector is consumer durables, which is about 21.41%. The fund is well diversified in various sectors like services 12.60%, communication 6.64%, healthcare 6.06%, FMCG 5.08%, automobile 4.85%, etc. Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund employs an investment approach designed to track the performance of Nasdaq 100 index. Thus, the scheme seeks to achieve this goal by investing in securities constituting Nasdaq 100 index in same proportion as in the index. At least 95% of its total assets shall remain invested in the securities comprising the underlying index. Additionally, the scheme may also invest in overseas debt and money market instruments to meet the liquidity and expense requirements. Fund manager of this fund. Mr. Ankush Sood is the fund manager of Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. Mr. Ankush has rich experience prominently in institutional sales trading function. Prior joining Motilal Oswal AMC, he has been associated with Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited. wherein he was primarily responsible for servicing domestic and foreign institutional clients. He holds an educational qualification in B.Tech in Electronics and Telecommunications and MBA Tech with major in Finance and minor in Analytics from SBM, Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Mr. Ankush Sood manages 4 schemes of Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund. Why you should invest in this fund? First reason is the global exposure. This is a fund that invests mainly in shares of foreign companies. This product is suitable for investors who are seeking investment in equity securities of Nasdaq 100 index. The Nasdaq 100 index is designed to measure the performance of 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market. Secondly, it is a tech-focused fund. 38.98% of the net assets of portfolio of Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF are invested in the technology sector. These include brands you use every day. To name a few, the portfolio of this fund includes shares of Apple Incorporated, Microsoft Corporation, Amazon.com, Facebook Incorporated and many more. Another reason being the advantage of diversification and higher INR returns. Investing in Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF provides the necessary diversification to investors' portfolio by investing in US stocks. In addition to global diversification, the investors might also get the advantage of depreciating INR against the value of US dollar in the long term. Taxability of earnings. A. If the mutual fund units are sold after 3 years from the date of investment, then gains would be taxed at the rate of 20% after providing the benefit of inflation indexation. B. If the mutual fund units are sold within 3 years from the date of investment, then the entire amount of gains would be added to the investor's income and taxed according to the applicable slab rate. Meanwhile, no tax is to be paid until one continues to hold the units of this fund. That's it for today. Read complete details about Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF by visiting our blog. Link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe our channel for latest updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.